Drunk driving, it kills roughly 10,000 people a year, according to the federal government. Now the National Transportation Safety Board wants states to lower the legal blood alcohol limit with the hopes that will prevent future tragedies. According to the NTSB, in 2014, there were more than 9,900 fatalities involving a driver who had a blood alcohol level of 0.08 or higher. Well, now the board wants the limit lowered to 0.05. That's generating a variety of opinions, including one you might not expect from a group that combats drunk driving. Channel 4's Scott Johnson joins us live now from the South Side to explain that. Scott?
Mary, I am fascinated by the opinions I'm getting. Just talked to a guy who works at a liquor store at the busy intersection here of Phillips and University Boulevard. He thinks this is a good idea because he sees so many crashes out here. But on the other side, Mothers Against Drunk Driving don't think this is a good idea. They think it should stay at 0.08. But one group that definitely favors anything to cut down on drunk driving are families who have lost loved ones due to DUIs. Jacob Green was broken down late at night at this Arlington off-ramp around a year ago. Robert Fisher pulled over to help and wait for a tow truck. Both men killed when a Dodge Neon slammed into one of the parked cars. A lengthy investigation pointed to DUI as the cause.
These kind of topics definitely brings everything back for me. And if those laws were stricter, maybe it could have prevented, my son from being involved in this.
I spoke with Green's mother by phone. She supports lowering the legal blood alcohol limit to 0.05.
I agree wholeheartedly. I feel like even at 0.05, your reaction times are not as fast. Your reflexes are not as fast. Your thoughts are altered.
This is not the first time this proposal has been brought up, but it's never gone anywhere. And like last time, the group Mothers Against Drunk Driving does not support it, telling me in a statement, MAD currently supports the national standard of 0.08 blood alcohol content, while also continuing to strongly recommend that those who drink alcohol not drive. Gene Nichols is an attorney who has represented a lot of DUI offenders. He says usually lawmakers support stricter laws instead of lowering the limit.
It potentially would cause even an adult female with one glass of wine to register over a legal limit. So from that standpoint, what you typically see is the legislature push to stiffen our usual penalties, and I would suggest that what we would see the legislature do in reaction to this is come down a little bit harder on first-time DUIs and potentially put interlock devices in all cars.
In the year 2000, Congress adopted the current blood alcohol limit of 0.08, and states signed on board lowering it from 0.10. But Nichols adds that even if you have a blood alcohol limit of below 0.08, police can still arrest you. They look at everything from how you act to how you speak.
We hear typically over 0.08 under arrest. Well, that's not necessarily true.
Last year, the Florida Highway Patrol in Duval County alone busted 467 people for DUIs. And that doesn't include what JSO busted. They say that's pretty much average. We're live on the South Side. Scott Johnson, Channel 4, the local station.